Everyone, I'm Heba and welcome back. I have another unboxing for you guys, and this time it's from Net-a-Porter, and I love their beauty kits. They come out with some really nice beauty kits, and here it is right here, and this is the Doctor's Beauty Kit. It comes in a nice big box with a bow. Reuse this box for a gift for sure. Net-a-Porter is a company out of the UK, and like I said, I love their beauty kits, and this one costs $105 US. I was able to get free shipping, but usually it will cost $10 for shipping if you don't reach, I want to say $200 or $250, but I'll try to put that code if I can find it. I'll put that code down below for you guys for the free shipping. Now on their website, it does show that there's 7 products in here, and my other Net-a-Porter unboxing, there were a couple of products that was kind of misleading than what was on the website. Like I think it was a Philip B shampoo. On the website, it looked like it was a full size, but what we got was like a travel size. So from what I could tell on their website, there's 7 products in here, and I was trying to figure out the price with the sizes that they're showing on their website. This box has a value of over $700 US. So I thought, you know, this is a nice beauty kit. We will see whatever's in this box if it's the same size of what's on the website. I hope that made sense. But anywho, this cost $105 US, and for my total, it cost over $700. So I think it's not bad. What they say about this beauty kit is that it brings some of the world's most renowned skincare clinics and laboratories to your bathroom cabinet. So every brand that's in this box, it is done by a doctor, a plastic surgeon, a dermatologist, all these scientists that are doctors. Their brands are in this box. The edit highlights cult bestsellers esteemed for the innovative research behind their anti-aging technologies. The result is some of the most luxurious, potent, and effective creams, serums, peels, and masks that deliver real results. We hope so. And I do like the packaging here, so let's go ahead and untie this bow here. Let me figure this out. Finally got the knot untied, and let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, and it comes with the black tissue right there. Look at there. I like this little see-through little packing cube that it comes in. I like that already. Yeah, I do like this packing cube, and hopefully when we travel again, I will be using this, either for clothes or makeup skincare. Here are the products, and I have to say that this packing cube is quite sturdy. I like it. It does come with a little card to explain the products in here for you. So let's go ahead and pull the first one out, and it's by Dr. Dennis Gross. He is a doctor here, and this is the Melt Away Cleanser. It's the Hyaluronic Marine Melt Away Cleanser, and it lifts off makeup and daily dirt without stripping skin. And it looks to be full size. Let's see how many ounces in here. 5 fluid ounce, 150 milliliters, and okay, it comes in a nice big tube like that. And this one costs $30. All right, I see a Dr. Barbara Sturm, another doctor. And what do we have here? It's the Calming Serum. This is 1 fluid ounce of product in here. Let's read about this one. I did get one of her products. I think it was the Glow Drops and the hyaluronic acid in either a beauty advent calendar or in another Net-a-Porter beauty kit, which I really do like. And her products are pricey. Okay, it's deeply hydrating while soothing any irritation from stress, pollution, travel, etc. This pampering serum leaves skin healthy and glowing. Oh my gosh, this product, this 30 ml 1 ounce of product costs $250 US. So this pretty much paid for everything that's in this bag. All right, let's see what else is here. I don't know if we could top that, but this is something by Decree. It's the Daily Shield, Daily AM PM UV Shield Spray with a broad spectrum of SPF of 30. Seems to be a little bottle here. Let's see. Oh, it's a spray mist. So it's a spray sunscreen, is it? Okay. It's developed by Dr. Anita Sturm, so another doctor, and is designed to be mist on throughout the day. This high-tech skin shield protects against UV, pollution, and blue light. Wow, let's see how much this one costs. So like I said, it was 75 mils, and this one cost $90. $90 for a sunscreen, I guess you could say. Wow. Okay, this bag is looking really good. Okay, next we have something heavy here. Let me look. It's a brand by Macreen Actives. Never heard of this brand. And this is a high-performance neck and décolleté treatment. It's created by Dr. Macreen Alexades. I believe I'm pronouncing their name right. This Luxe Cream uses hyaluronic acid and peptides to transform the skin below the chin. And Lord knows I need some help there. Now this one does say it's a travel size, and wow, that's a big travel size. Let's see how much you get. 30 mils of product, which is 1 fluid ounce. Ooh, and I like the glass bottle. Let me see if I can figure out the price of this one. So this one is 30 mils, and the one I could find a price for is 100 mils, so a third of this. And the 100 mil treatment for the neck and the décolleté area costs $295. So this one would probably cost $100 by itself, maybe? Yeah, and on the website it does say that it's a travel size, so that's a nice travel size. I'll take it. All right, next, something light here. It's by Dr. Sabah, and it's the Pure Vitamin C Powder Cream. Ooh, I like how it's packed in this little foam insert, and it just seems to be one in here, and it's like a test tube. Look at that. This pure and highly concentrated powder, so it's a powder, it melts into the skin to boost collagen and brighten the complexion. So it does say to sprinkle in the palm of your hand and mix it with the serum or moisturizer. And it says you can mix it with the Dr. Barbara Sturm serum, so I bet those two would make the skin really happy. Wow. Now we only get one, but the price that I could find is if you get 5. It comes in a set of 5, and that one cost $88. So probably one would cost $18. All right, and there's still more products in here, and the next one is by MZ Skin, brand that I haven't heard of before, and it's Depuff and Define Contouring Eye Rescue. Okay, we have an eye cream. I love anything that can depuff and define. A leading oculoplastic surgeon, so I believe that's something with the eyes and the face, I believe. Dr. Mariam Zamani's cream brightens dark circles and firms the whole eye area. Okay, I love that. So the MZ Skin is named after her initials, Dr. Mariam Zamani's. And she kind of sounds Middle Eastern, but that's interesting, an oculoplastic surgeon. So yeah, and something with the eyes, I guess. So we have half an ounce of product, which is 15 mils of product, and this one cost $110 by itself. An eye cream for $110. I'm interested in her brand because of what she is, an oculoplastic surgeon. It says this high potency caffeine and peptides help decrease the fluid buildup that causes under eye bags, while correcting actives work to brighten darkness or shadows. And yeah, that's what I need help with. All right, let's see what we got here. We have some big box, and I believe the brand is by Royal Fern, and it's developed by Dr. Tim Gulicki, another doctor. What is this? It's a phytoactive antioxidant ampules. Okay, and there's 15 here, and it's made in Germany. And yeah, we have some ampules in here, and there are 15 of them. That's kind of different here, but let me read about it on the website here. It's formulated with antioxidant-rich vitamin C and fern extracts, so hence the fern on the packaging, to promote collagen production and maintain the skin's natural protective barrier. It also has Japanese green tea extract and riboflavin. And it does say it recommends storing them in a fridge to preserve the potency. Okay. And this one for 15 ampules cost $195. Oh my gosh. This is a good one. And there's still more products in here. I'll bet it's the last ones. And they are masked. And there's 2 of them. They're both by 111 Skin, which I love that brand, and it's also developed by a doctor in the UK. And we have an eye mask and a face mask. So it's a Sub-Zero Depuffing Energy Mask and Eye Mask. Anti-inflammatory, nourishing, and calming, these masks quickly take down any fluid retention and re-energize the skin. And these masks are expensive. I love 111 Skin. I love their niacinamide serum. I love that serum. Now, how I priced these, it does come in a box of 5. So for the 5, it cost of the face mask $135. So divided by 5, I priced this one at $27. And the eye mask also in a box of 5 is $73. So for one, it's $9. So let me add everything up here to make sure I added everything correctly with the right size. So I miscounted. I thought there were 7 products, but they are 8 products. Technically, I would go with 10 products because they're counting this one as 1, but I'm going to count these as 2, and plus the bag. I love this bag. Oh, there's plastic there. I love this bag. So yeah, 10 products including the bag. But I didn't price the bag because I don't know how much this cost. And kind of going with like the third of the price of this. The full size costs $2.95 for 100 ounce, and I just took a third of it, so it's probably about $100 value at least. And this beauty kit cost roughly about $739 US. So not bad. Not bad at all. I have to say that this is a nice beauty kit. For the price, $105, and you're getting products in here worth over $700, and they're good size products. They're not the, you know, little travel size or sample size. I'll bet this one does say travel, but it's a big size for travel. And these brands are all well-known brands developed by doctors, so I think they know what they're doing here. I may be getting overloaded with skincare products, but I love playing with skincare. I love trying to fix this to make it look better without using any surgeries or whatnot. But yeah, I'm excited about this one. Well, all right, you guys, I hope you like this unboxing of this really nice beauty kit by Net-a-Porter. I know I like it. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.